Okay, so in this video, we are looking at a question which involves buses and airports or buses and cars leaving the airport. Buses leave the airport every 3 minutes to drive to the city center. A car leaves the airport at the same time as the bus does and drives to the city center by the same route. It takes each bus 60 minutes and the car 35 minutes to drive from the airport to the city center. How many buses does the car pass on its way to the center, excluding the bus it left, which it left with? Okay, let's figure it out. So the reason why I have written these B's is I know that on the route there are going to be 60 the route is going to take 60 minutes for the bus, and there is one bus leaving every 3 minutes. That means when it comes to how many bus will be on the route, if I'm looking at an hour period, it'll be 60 divided by 3 and it'll give me 20 buses. So these B indicates the number of buses. And if I were to say half an hour, in half an hour there will be 20 divided by 2 buses, which are 10 buses, right? So 30 minutes, 60 minutes. Now our car is leaving the airport with the bus, first bus, and it takes 35 minutes. Now we need to realize that whatever cars or whatever buses have already left the airport and are on the route and will reach in 35 minutes won't pass the car, right? Because they're close to reaching the airport and our car just started, right? So if I were to figure out how many buses are close to reaching the airport or will reach the airport in 35 minutes, I need a whole number, right? So what I can do is I can either divide 35 by 3, or, so let's do 35 by 3, which will be approximately 11 buses. Or I can do, well, the closest to 35 is 33 minutes, which will give me a whole number, right? 33 divided by 3, which is approximately 11 buses again. So I know that 11 of these buses, I won't be able to see them. They're all gone. Okay, because the car just started with this bus. So because 11 buses are already gone, what I'll do is to figure out how many buses will the car pass. I'll simply subtract 11 by 20 because there are total 20 buses, which will give me 9 buses, right? But in the question, if you remember, you are excluding the last line, excluding the bus you left with. So we're also excluding this bus that we left with. So when we exclude the bus, it will be 9 minus 1, which is 8 buses. And that's our answer, option A.